What up geekers, in today's video I'm going to unbox this JBL Tune T20 TWS Replica Class A earbuds. I know that everyone doesn't like replica and copy materials, but if you're in budget and you don't want to spend a lot of money, then you considered buying one of these. Right off the bat, if you look at the box, it's very obvious that it's copy material because of these colors, the pictures and font and box itself, and the way you copy the original box is not the same texture. So when you open the box, you will see a Bluetooth earphone left and right, a headset power box, a USB charging cable, a user guide. As I noticed, the body and the case is very impressive. I mean, like, it feels like solid, and I feel like I bought an original Bluetooth earphone. When I open and close, it will snap like magnet. So for me, it's a nice quality material. But one thing I noticed is that it doesn't have color red and blue that indicates left and right symbol, which same like in the original one. And you will see as well the two lights in between the earphone. Replica doesn't have that. Is all plastic, if you can see it here. And when you look at the earphone, you will see small screen speakers on the side, which I think it gives a little extra loudness when you use it, but in Replica doesn't have it. It's all plastic here, if you can see it. And the logo in front is not the same with the original, because in Replica it's just printed, not embroidered, same like in original. And it has 4 lights that indicates the battery level, which doesn't have in the original. When you buy the original JBL, you will get this orange flat charging cable, but in Replica you will get the white one, which is the basic one. In the original earbuds, if you look closely at the bottom of it, you'll notice that 3 dotted charging port, but in the Replica it has 2 dotted port, if you can see here. It's 1 and 2 both sides. Overall, the quality and the sound of it is acceptable for the price, and I'm not really sure when it will last, but if you buy it for a couple bucks, then you will never regret it.